Hello everyone, I am Harshal Bhagwan Patil from Shivahirao S. Jondhale College of Pharmacy, Asangaon, studying in second year of B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain the methods of determining particle size by different methods under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Mohere as a professor and principal of our college. So what is particle size? The particle size of spherical particles can be easily expressed in terms of diameter. In case of non-sphere particles, particle size is expressed in terms of equivalent spherical diameter by using some measurable properties like surface diameter. The surface diameter of sphere having the same surface area as that of asymmetric particles. Methods of particle size determination. There are three methods of determination of particle size. First, microscopic method, third, sieving method, and third, sedimentation method. First, microscopic method. The microscopic method is used for particle measuring in the range of 0.2 to 200 micrometer. At least 300 to 500 particles counted to obtain a good particle size distribution. Method: dilute suspension of powder in suitable vehicle in which it is insoluble. A drop of suspension mounted on slide. Observe under a microscope. Eyepiece of a microscope is attached to a micrometer to obtain the particle size powder sample. Particles are counted with the help of eyepiece. A size frequency distribution curve is obtained with the help of particle size and their numbers. In case of very small particle, electron microscopy is used. Advantages of microscopic method: agglomerates as well as particles more than one component can be detected by this method. Disadvantages: the measured diameter of particles represent two dimensions, that is length and breadth only. Second, sieving method. In this technique, the particle size of powder determining by the place it on the next of standard sieves which is stacked over one another. Sieve of large aperture on the top, sieves of decreasing pore size. Method: the powder is shaken for a definite period of time using a mechanical sieve shaker. The material passed through sieves and written on a final sieve and collected and weighed it. The data obtained is analyzed and particle size is calculated. The measurement of smaller particle size, that is less than 50 micrometer, is difficult by this method. Advantages: this method is very useful for measurement of particle which is core particles. Disadvantages: particle may aggregate during sieving due to electrostatic charge. Second, the powder moisture can also lead to aggregation of particle by which actual size cannot be determined. Third, attrition of particles during shaking may cause reduction in particle size. Fourth, sieve loading and duration of mechanical shaking can influence the result. Third, sedimentation method. In this technique, Andreson Pipette is used to determine the particle size. So what is Andreson Pipette? Andreson Pipette, it consists of 550 ml stopper cylindrical vessel of about 5.5 centimeter internal diameter and a scale gradual to 0 to 20 centimeter on it. It has a 10 ml bulb pipette fitted with a two-way stopcock and a side tube for discharging the sample. Method: 1 to 2% of powder as sample suspension is prepared. Deflocculating agent added in a sufficient amount to break powder aggregate. Sample filling powder. Sample is introduced into a vessel up to 550 ml mark. The vessel is shaking to distributed particles uniformly. After that, the whole assembly is kept undisturbed in a constant temperature with a water bath. At various time interval, 10 ml of sample withdrawn through a stopcock and poured it into previously weighed china dish. The sample are evaporated and weighed and necessary correction is made. For the deflocculating agent, the particle diameter corresponding to a various time period is calculated by the Stokes law. The Stokes law is as follows: V is equal to H upon T is equal to d square st in bracket rho s minus rho 0 into g upon in n 0, where h is equal to distance of field in time t, n0 is viscosity of medium, rho s density of particles, rho 0 density of dispersion, and g is acceleration due to gravity. The advantages of this technique: it is inexpensive, and it is very simple technique. Disadvantages: method is laborious and complicated. Very small particles can not be determined accurately. So these are some reference lines. We are thankful to our President, Honorable Dr. Shivahirao Jondhale sir, Secretary, Honorable Dr. Geeta Khare, Madam, and Principal Dr. Nitin Moire sir, for encouraging and guidance of for efficient use of social media to spread the knowledge through making informative videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel for such informative video. Thank you.